welcome everyone to an unboxing of the Jabra Evolve2 65 headset. So here's some features listed on the front of the box. Some of the interesting things: it has three-way microphone calling, which basically means it has three different mic sensors, so it'll have noise cancellation for exterior mic noise. So if you're in a noisy environment, it'll try to cancel out exterior noise and only focus on your voice. Lasts about 36 hours in terms of battery and a whole bunch of other stuff. So the box itself, if you open it up, on the inside has a quick start guide, which I like. It conserves paper. It's right there and convenient for you. Just opening it up, looks like the only other documentation really is warnings and stuff. Safety and warranty regulations information, I guess. The pouch itself is a soft pouch. Just want to point that out there. It's not a hard case, unfortunately. I'm not sure why manufacturers even include one then, but hey, it is what it is. But here's the headset itself. Pretty sleek looking. I'm just testing out the microphone. It looks like it cannot go both ways. So it's designed primarily that the microphone will be on your right ear. Not a big deal, but just something to test out right off the bat out of the box. There's a whole bunch of sticker protection, I guess, on it, which again is kind of ironic, but they put in a soft pouch. So doesn't that kind of further indicate the point that the soft pouch is useless because it's not a hard case? Why else would they need all the protective stickers on the rims of the ear cups? Anyway, I'm just being nitpicky, but it's just, I don't know, it seems kind of weird. Anyway, so the ear cups seem rather soft in padding, but of course I'll be extensively testing it, and information on comfort level, microphone quality, noise cancelling, all that good stuff will be in the review. A link to the review will be in the description. And there is the USB receiver. I opted for the USB-C model, but there's a USB-A fitting as well, and that's pretty much it, as well as the charging cable. So if you found this video useful, be sure to check out my social links and website link in the video description. Hit the like button, it does help. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.